Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to add a credit card to your WeChat account. It's a simple process that will help you make seamless transactions right from your phone. Let's get started. First, open your WeChat app. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Navigate to the Me section by tapping on the bottom right icon. Now, tap on WeChat Pay. If you don't see this option, it might be because WeChat Pay isn't available in your region or your app isn't updated. Next, tap on Cards. This is where you'll manage all your payment methods. Now, tap on Add Credit Card. Enter your credit card details. Make sure to double check the information to avoid any errors. Once you've entered all the details, submit the form. WeChat may need to verify your information, which can take a few moments. After verification, you'll see a confirmation message that your credit card is now successfully added to WeChat Pay. And that's it. You've added your credit card to WeChat. Now you can make payments easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you